Okay, YouTube fam, let's get started. I'm gonna I've already put my meatballs in the crock pot. Now we're gonna add some grape jelly, whichever brand you like. We're gonna add maybe a half of this in there, okay? Okay, instead of adding the ingredients separately, I've already added the grape jelly to the meatballs. And these are frozen meatballs. You can get whichever kind you like. Check the description box below and I'll tell you the kind that I use. And you want to, once you get your frozen meatballs, you want to let them sit out for about 30 minutes so they won't be as frozen when you start cooking in the cooking process, okay? And I added all my other ingredients in the bowl here. I have a half a cup of chili sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce in here. About half a bottle of it. And I also added another ingredient. Stay to the end of the video and you'll know what that ingredient is. And I'll just pour it all over the meatballs. And that grape jelly is gonna just incorporate into the other ingredients while they're cooking. Don't worry. If you want to add the grape jelly to the sauce in the beginning, you can, but I always add mine. Well, I don't always, but today I did. I add my grape jelly first, okay? And then I'll just give it a little stir. Okay? And then I'm gonna cover it. And we're gonna let them cook for about, in the slow cooker on high. We're gonna put it on high in the beginning. When it starts cooking, we'll turn it down to low and let it cook for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, simmering. And once they get done, they're gonna be delicious. It's just a simple snack, or whatever you want to use it for. A lot of people use them for baby showers. I used it for my daughter's baby shower, or you can use it just for lunch. And the sides that I have with it, I'll tell you about them at the end of the video, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, meatballs have been cooking for about 2.5 hours. I've already taken them out, and don't they look delicious? Don't they look delicious? And they're gonna be delicious. I've already put some on my plate here just to show you all how they look. Okay. With these meatballs, today I'm just gonna cook some fries with them, but I also made them for a baby shower, my daughter's baby shower, about a month back. And with that, I also made some dip, some hamburger dip. So you can cook whatever you want with them, but they're delicious by themselves. But most people use them in parties or showers, anything, get-togethers, whatever you want to use them in. But today, I'm just gonna eat them like this and cook me some fries. And I'll probably make me a salad too, okay? They are delicious. YouTube fam, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, YouTube fam, that concludes our video for today. These are just some of the ingredients that I used today. You can substitute for no brand name or whichever one you want, but this recipe is just delicious. It's simple, easy, and the family is just gonna love them. And thanks so much for watching. I forgot to tell you all, YouTube fam, please look to the top left up top and you'll see a popular video. I have several popular videos on my channel, but look to the top left and you'll be able to see another terrific recipe from my channel. As always, again, thanks for watching.